Hi everyone, welcome to the Frugal Rolls YouTube channel. I'm Nicole.
And I'm John.
And we're glad you're here. Thank you for spending some of your day with us. If you're not part of the community yet, click that red subscribe button to join. It's free and you'll never miss an episode.
Today we're reviewing the 5 best investing apps for beginners. I absolutely love talking about investing, especially with people who are just starting out. I used to be a stockbroker and I have an MBA in finance, but I taught myself how to invest. Many people think it's impossible to invest with little money or learn to do it yourself, but it's not. Apps like the 5th one on our list make even real estate easy to invest in. So let's get into it with some of the best investing apps available. Now, if you don't know this already, it's really important for you to start investing. Just as important as saving money, creating a budget, and paying down debt, because investing is how you pay your future self. It's how you grow your money, and it's a huge part of achieving financial freedom, which is what we're all about at Frugal Rules. To give you an idea of where we're going, the 5 top investing apps we're covering today are Robinhood, M1 Finance, Acorns, Stash Invest, and Fundrise. Okay, now let's dive into our first option, Robinhood. What I love about Robinhood is that you can place stock trades as well as limit or stop trades for nothing. That's right, nothing. It's completely free to use. All stocks, options, and ETFs are commission free. If you primarily just buy and sell stocks, then Robinhood is a terrific option for you. Plus, right now, they're offering a free stock when you open an account with them. They allow you to place instant trades of up to $1,000 when you deposit funds into your account. They also let you not have to wait on trades to settle to get access to your cash. This has always been a smartphone first investing app, meaning you can do all of your activity from your phone if you prefer. As you progress in your investing knowledge and comfort level, you can upgrade to Robinhood's paid service known as Robinhood Gold, which gives you access to things like after-hours trading and margin capability. Now, the Gold plan costs $5 per month, plus you pay 5% interest on any margin you hold over $1,000. The downside is that their tools are light. This shouldn't necessarily keep you from choosing their platform, but if educational tools and resources are important to you, you may want to consider one of our other favorite investing apps.
Speaking of never investing before, if you're brand new to investing, watch our video on investing in the stock market for beginners. In it, we go over all the basics of investing, from what a stock is to where to find information about companies and more. We also link to it and other great posts for those new to investing below, so please check those out. Now, before we go into our second pick, I want to take a moment to remind you of something very important. It's easy to get confused and scared when you start investing. You can log into any one of these apps and be concerned by what you see. Sometimes the dashboards are confusing and you might not understand what you're looking at. When that happens, call the platform or the broker. Text, chat, email, whatever. Don't take any drastic actions out of fear. Call them first and make sure you know what's going on. John will tell you that he got these calls all the time and was always happy to take them.
You're exactly right, Nicole, and don't let your emotions get the best of you. When you're investing, have a plan and only spend money you have. Don't get yourself into trouble chasing gains or trying to prevent losses or time the market. Focus on the basics. Invest in companies you know and start small. Don't freak out when you make a mistake or lose money, because you know what? It will happen. Just keep reading and learning and growing your money.
Now, let's get to our second best stock trading app for beginners, M1 Finance. Do you have $100? If so, then you can invest through M1 Finance. That is all you need to open an account and start using this investing app. There are no broker commissions or fees, and you can invest in fractional shares. So let's say you love Netflix, but you can't afford its $500 plus stock price. You can still invest in the company. Through M1 Finance, you can buy a fractional share of Netflix and make your money go farther and invest in more stocks. They help you manage your investments, automate deposits into your investing account, and show you how to use the app for free. M1 Finance is a little like a robo-advisor in that they help manage your investments for you, but they give you the power to customize your investment plan. The first thing you'll do when you open an account is set a goal. Then they will have you create a pie. That pie holds each of your stock or exchange traded fund investments. It can be as few or as many investments as you want, and you can have multiple pies within your account. Then they manage the investing within each pie to make sure that they are allocated to stay in line with your goals. They have over 60 pies to choose from, so they are a great option.
They really are. Now let's move on to our third investing app, Acorns. You might have heard of Acorns. I know I've seen their ads on TV lately. What's so awesome about this app is that Acorns lets you start investing with $0. Now I realize that might make no sense, but you can literally open an account with nothing. As you buy things, Acorns will round up your purchases to the next dollar and put the difference into your investing account. When you reach $5, you can start investing. If you are in college or want to create an account to teach your kids how to invest, or you just find it hard to save or set aside money for investing, Acorns could be great for you. It lets you invest in a selection of 6 different low-cost ETFs and has a lot of good resources to help you learn the basics of investing. Now, they do charge $1 per month for accounts under $5,000 and a minimal percent annual charge after that. However, if you're under 24 and in college, you can invest for free with Acorns. It's a terrific option to get your feet wet with investing with nothing.
Our fourth investing app reminds me of what squirrels do with acorns. They stash them away for the winter. Stash is another great app to consider. If you open an account now with Stash, they will give you $5. They will also give you access to a variety of individual stocks as well as ETFs. That's one of the things that sets them apart from Acorns. Stash is app-based only, and they offer great tools to help you learn to invest. Like Acorns, they charge just $1 per month for accounts under $5,000. Other things that I like about them and what sets them apart from other investing apps is that they help you with other areas of finance too, by offering online debit accounts, retirement accounts, and they let you purchase stock of brands that you shop at with a rewards debit card through their stock back rewards program. Some of those features come in Stash's higher level plans, so let's take a quick second to review the 3 plans that Stash offers: Beginner, Growth, and Stash Plus. The beginner plan costs just $1 per month. With that, you get a personal investment account, debit account access to its stock back rewards program, and great free educational tools. The growth plan includes all of the beginner features, plus it allows you to invest for retirement, and that costs just $3 per month. The Stash Plus plan gives you a debit card with 2 times stock back rewards and a monthly market insights report for just $9 per month. So all of the plan options are very reasonably priced. We have reviews to Stash and all the other apps we discussed today below, so read those for more information.
Now let's move on to our 5th investing app, Fundrise. There's a lot to like about Fundrise. What I like most about it is what makes it unique. It lets you start investing in real estate with just $500. Now, real estate is something I've always wanted to get into, but just can't seem to find the time for. If you're like me, Fundrise solves that problem. Fundrise lets you diversify your investing activity without having to physically buy a property or have a lot of money to invest. It is essentially crowdfunding real estate, which makes real estate investing available to more than just a select few. When you invest with Fundrise, you gain an instant access to a diversified portfolio of property types, including shopping centers, mixed-use properties, and multifamily apartments. Like a robo-advisor, Fundrise decides which properties to invest in and uses a local manager to handle the day-by-day decisions. You make money by earning dividends each quarter from tenant rent and loan payments, or when Fundrise sells a property at profit. It's free to join, and you only need $500 to start investing. You pay just 1% in annual fees. However, there is an early withdrawal fee of up to 3% of funds you pull out within 5 years. So you definitely want to invest money you don't need for the near term.
It really is a great way to dip your toes into real estate investing and learn about it without needing a lot of money to get started. Before we let you go, we want to talk about two brokerages that have excellent online trading platforms, Vanguard and Fidelity. While they aren't always suited for beginning investors or people who want to start trading with little money, both have excellent apps and sites. They offer an abundance of thorough and helpful investing tools, and they are a great way to save on fees when compared to other big brokerages. In fact, we invest with Vanguard and we love it. Their low-cost, simple approach suits us. They allow us to trade ETFs for free with no minimums. We invest in funds that track the market, and we have had an excellent experience watching our portfolio grow. Fidelity is similar. Their online stock trades are free, and they offer many great tools and resources. One downside for beginners is that their non-IRA accounts require $2,500 to start investing. If you're starting with nothing or very little, try one of the 5 investing apps we discussed here. When you've grown your account balance to something more substantial, look at Vanguard and Fidelity to help grow your money to the next level.
I know we've given you a lot to think about today. If you're feeling overwhelmed, that's okay. Just take it one step at a time and start investing. The worst thing you could do is nothing. Leave us your questions in the comments below, and if you haven't already, smash that red subscribe button so you can be notified of our new content.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.